Christ. Oh shit. Fuck. Sorry, I'm cussing. I can't help it.
A few moments later.
You know the calm. The body calm now. Come be like say here don't free. It's not like as if there's free air going out.
I hope the sun is going in.
It's going in and glancing freely. No. This is what I've needed all my life. Thank you so much.
Thank God. You're speaking in tongue.
Hold on.
Who are we waiting for?
Hold on.
The only thing I'm waiting for is Christ. Anything else? Down here.
Oh, me. Shit.
Babe. Wow, did you hear that sound?
Is your ladies for me?
Let me know if you swing both ways.
Like for camera, you tell us.
I'm gonna mute them.
Hey, it's Baba. You go beat her with the sound.
You hear the sound?
Yes, baby, I did. I heard.
My neck is still there.
Are you asking or are you telling us?
It didn't move. What the hell? Dude, what happened here?
No, let's find out from this side. This side wants to tell us Mr. Dad.
Oof. My head is still there.
Question or statement?
I think it's a statement. It don't fall off.
I didn't.
It didn't fall off.
Yeah, lie down.
Are you excited? I got this one down. Get this sweat.
Did he crack?
Reach me to sweat.
And it's only the living.
Did he crack?
Stop making noise. You're like video person. Video people not supposed to. Is this called Crack Health Clinic? Thank you. God bless you. Come this one. Come on.
Go.
Stand up. Down.
Okay. Maybe white light too.
White light.
It's not white light. It's something.
Drop it again. More.
Hey, Jesus Christ! Where did he come from?
One
Okay. You guys are still here.
You want us to go?
I want to know where I am now. Jesus.
Yeah, come on. You can come. No, we have to decompress the spine. No, your hands are good.
Oh my God. Ew. Man, look this thing on man, look at.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Look, I don't think I want to look at this.
Don't breathe. Let the head move. Most people relax your feet.
Oh, shit. Sorry, I'm cussing. I can't help it. Sorry. He helped me today. He entered. This one. This one is crunchy. Yes. Yes. Stop my face. Jesus Christ. See my eye. Jesus. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
No, you send me.
It's okay, bro. I'm free. That one. It's my whole spine. They drew out.
Have you cursed this much before?
Eh?
In the span of like 10 minutes, have you cursed?
That one is here. Okay?
But
It's here.
how you feel?
Yeah. Okay.
Now you get.
Ah.
How does it show get?
Should get to. I get everything now. Okay.
You don't do
Ah,
body don't they calm down.
the body calm now. Come be like say here don't free. It's not like as if there's free air going out.
I hope the sun is going in.
It's going in and passing freely. No. This is what I've needed all my life. Thank you. Talk tomorrow. For now.
For now, it's about
It's you. For now,
it's not about her telling you to come. It's about you experiencing this. Tomorrow you think I'm sure you buy her like ice cream, mommy. Tomorrow you buy ice cream, 1 scoop, not 2 scoops.
I buy you 6. Thank you so much.
Bye, bro.